How to build a wooden fence, a carpentry project. Building a wooden fence is a rewarding carpentry project that requires careful planning, the right tools, and a good understanding of carpentry techniques. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you construct a sturdy and functional wooden fence. 1. Planning and design. Assess your needs. Determine the purpose of the fence, privacy, security, or decoration, and the size of the area to be fenced. Consider factors like the height, length, and style, e.g., picket, post and rail, or lattice. Design considerations. Sketch a basic design of your fence, including the dimensions and layout. Consider adding features like gates, hinges, and decorative elements. 2. Gather materials and tools. Materials. Wood. Choose pressure-treated lumber for its durability and resistance to water damage. Common choices include cedar, pine, or fir. Fasteners. Use stainless steel or galvanized screws and nails to prevent rusting. Hardware. Include bolts, nuts, washers, and other hardware for connecting the fence components. Tools. Circular saw, for cutting wood to size. Drill, for making holes and driving screws. Level, to ensure the fence is level during construction. Chisel, for cleaning up cuts and removing splinters. Measuring tape, for accurate measurements. Square, to ensure right angles. 3. Prepare the site. Location. Choose a location for your fence that is safe and accessible. Consider the space needed for gates and the slope of the ground. Foundation. Install posts or supports in the ground to provide a stable foundation for the fence. Ensure they are securely anchored to the ground. 4. Construct the fence. Assemble the fence. Begin by constructing the fence panels or sections. Use pressure-treated lumber for the frame to ensure it withstands the elements. Install the fence. Attach the fence panels to the posts or supports. Use bolts and washers for a secure connection. 5. Finishing and maintenance. Seal or stain. Apply a sealant or stain to protect the wood from moisture and UV damage. Choose a product suitable for outdoor use. Regular maintenance. Inspect the fence regularly for signs of wear or damage. Perform necessary repairs to keep it safe and functional. Conclusion. Building a wooden fence is a significant carpentry project that requires careful planning, the right materials, and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can construct a sturdy and functional fence that will serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special: if you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you. Download it now and take the first step toward your next project. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating more value.